Yeah, man, you don't know the code already. You don't know Dewey and Queenie. Them out and running again, no man. I not tell no lie. You don't know them go spend the weekend over Portland, and you don't know them go visit Titchfeild High School. You see it, and just make a special appearance on the stage and make a talk and make the public them see them. You see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get it right as it drop. And you also can follow me on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. You see it, and it's a good look for the Queen. You see it and do it. You don't know the Queen and the King out and running. You see me? Yeah, man, and the haters. I want if Skeleton can go do this. You see it, I like it. Look, you see me, all the haters them when I rate Dewey and Queenie and them thing, you see it, them are still star people, them still love them. You don't know when people hate you and love you, that a good something, you see me? Yeah, man, you're going to hear what I go on and see what I go on in the video, you see it? Yeah, man, and free, if you drop on a comment before I go, you see me? Yeah, man.
Everybody there on TikTok, I'm my great-great-great-grandmother. Everybody there on TikTok? What's up? You follow like some of our celebrities? Like tell me some of the people you follow. Like Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, Yenny Phillips. Who else? We can't hear because hold on there. We're not hearing so well. Who? Ladies and gentlemen, am I hearing correctly? We have a queen in the place. The official queen. One queen in the park. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise and show some love wherever you are. Queen is here. Queen and Dewey. What is there? Hold on there. Celebrities in the place. Let me jump. Let me go from the camera. Come after have a little celebrity moment, right? Especially, especially for them, we're not going to that ugly now. I am now Fred to do it. Hold on there, Jesus Christ. Boy, Titchfeild mash up. Hold on there. What? Let me put my phone down. What? Locks. Good night, sir.
Blessed.
Oh.
The queen is there. Say yes, God, we're blessed. Portland! Titchfeild! Kings and queens, say yes, God, you're blessed. Everywhere we go, them this a show, do it. Everywhere we go, them this a show, do it. One man to me goodie.
Kaneki. Me say no man Titchfeild, hold on. Let me take out the if you a minute. Cause you may say no man, me jump somebody just say, are them for true? In a real life, are we for true? Queen wife, Titchfeild big up on themself, man, cause we in a building one queen and one king, you know? That's a code.
Double tap. Say you put it clean, say you put it back. Say you send you put it in a gal out. Say the man you love to see a lot of that. Never say you just like a water. Hey, when you see your picture though. When I remember some sing, blessed Lord.
I like me get my hug up, babe.
I wanna get no hug from the queen of back.
Yeah. Come on, give it up one more time for Queenie and Dewey. Oh, yeah. Hey. All right. So good night, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what I said. I'm trying to come from. I'm the only contestant tonight. Come to this side of the I'm live on TikTok. Yeah? Alright, so let's with Queenie and Dewey.
Queenie, big up Micah. Big up Micah Hamilton. Yeah.
I promise you. You people see me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube doing Queenie Pasties. Look me nice up. Doing a feel over here, yeah? What? Locks. Good night, sir.
Blessed, blessed, blessed.
Oh.
The Queen is there, the Queen is there. Say yes, God, we're blessed. Portland! Titchfeild! Kings and queens, say yes, God, you're blessed. Everywhere we go, them this a show, do it. Everywhere we go, them this a show, do it. One man to me goodie.
Connect. You may say no man Titchfeild, hold on. Let me take out the if you a minute. Cause you may say no man, me jump somebody just say, are them for true? In a real life, are we for true? Queen wife, Titchfeild big up on themself, man, cause we in a building, one queen and one king, you know? That's a code.
Double tap! Say you put it clean, say you put it back. Say you send you put it gear, girl out. Say the man I love to see a lot of that. Them I say you just like a water. Hey! When you see your picture though. When I remember some sing, blessed Lord.
I like me get me hug up, babe.
I wanna get no hug from the Queen of back.
Yeah. Come on, give it up one more time for Queenie and Dewey. Oh, yeah. Hey. All right. So good night, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what I said. This song comes from. I mean, I want to contest tonight. Come to this side of the
I'm live on TikTok.
Yes? Alright, so I'm going to say with Queenie and Dewey.
Queenie, big up Micah. Big up Micah Hamilton.
I promise you.
You people see me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube doing Queenie Pasties. Look me nice up. Doing a feel over here, yeah?